In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Photos notifications. If you're like many people, you might find the constant stream of alerts from Google Photos to be a bit overwhelming. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, I'm here to guide you through the process of taking control of these notifications. We'll explore two straightforward methods, each with its own set of benefits, so you can decide which works best for you. Let's dive right into our first method, which involves managing notifications directly within the Google Photos app. This approach gives you the greatest level of control, allowing you to customize which alerts you receive while keeping others active if you so choose. To begin, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a menu where you'll need to select Photos Settings. From there, tap on Notifications. Here you'll find a variety of notification types that you can toggle on or off according to your preference. For instance, you may choose to disable alerts for memories, suggestions, creations like collages or animations, shared album updates, and backup or device notifications. By selectively turning off certain notifications, you maintain the ability to receive those that are truly important to you, while eliminating the ones that aren't. Now, if you're looking to stop all Google Photos notifications altogether, our second method is the way to go. This option is straightforward and effective if you want to ensure complete silence from the app. On an Android device, you'll start by opening your phone's settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, find and select Google Photos. Once you're on the Apps page, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see an option to switch off Allow Notifications. Slide that toggle, and just like that, you've stopped all notifications from Google Photos. This method is the strongest option if you want to avoid any interruptions from the app. It's important to note that turning off notifications doesn't affect the functionality of Google Photos in any other way. Your photos will still back up as usual, and you can still access all of your content within the app. The only thing that changes is that you won't receive alerts. This means you can enjoy a more peaceful experience without missing out on any of the core features that Google Photos offers. So there you have it, two simple methods to manage or completely turn off notifications from Google Photos on your Android or iPhone. Whether you prefer the flexibility of customizing your alerts or the simplicity of turning them all off, you now have the tools you need to tailor your notification experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you regain control over your notification settings.